Alright, made it home. There's the truck parked over there. There's Teresa. And we're going to hit the ground running on my honey-do list. We're going to the dump. We got the old Ford. It's been sitting almost a month. You ready?
Yeah.
Do you think there's gas in here?
I don't know, but I think I'd stop this one in.
Well, I filled it up when we brought back from Brittany. So we're starting the honey-do list?
Yeah. My honey-do list.
The honey-do list. So are you excited about our mini vacation?
Yes.
We're getting ready. We're gonna go on a mini vacation after the holiday, after Monday, Memorial Day. You gonna get the gate?
Yeah.
It's a good wife. She gets out and opens the gate. I bought a new mic for this camera. If you remember, before, kind of used to hear a crackling noise, and that was me turning the mic back and forth. And I bought a omnidirectional microphone, so we're gonna check it out and see how it does. But it is Saturday morning. It's about 11:30. We already delivered our little piece of equipment, so we did that. That's good. And we're just gonna make a dump run, and I don't know what else we're gonna do today. So, but we'll figure it out. Glad to be home. So, all right, that was good. You did a good job on the gate.
Yeah.
All right, talking to you a bit. All right, we made it down here to our little local landfill. Well, I don't even call it a landfill. I think they call it a transfer station. Just like in the big truck, you got to pull up on the scale right there. And weigh the truck. So they weighed the truck, and they charge you by the quarter ton here or something like that.
Yeah.
Usually it ends up costing us like $5 or $7, but we only take it down once a month. So let's see here. We got it back in to one of these here. Hang on. All right, we're done at the dump. It was $5. How much weight was it? 0.8 of a ton, whatever that is. No, 0.08 of a ton, which is their $5 minimum. All right, now what? What's next on the honey-do list?
I don't know. Flipping windy to do anything outside.
You want Starbucks? Or you want Frappy Mocha from McDonald's?
No, you can't go stand.
Yeah, it's down there. You want to go McDonald's?
Go that way. I ain't going down the river.
All right, Frappy Mocha time at McDonald's. So, Teresa, what just happened?
Huh?
I said, what just happened?
We just got pulled over by the highway patrol.
We got pulled over for a highway patrol. We've had this old Ford for, what, 15 years? And it's had a crack in the window that long. And he pulled me over. We kind of got lucky, because as soon as he pulled me over, he said he got a call. But anyway, it was a close one, so I guess I'm gonna have to get my windshield fixed. Anyway, we're at McDonald's. We're gonna go get us some Frappy Mochas now that we've had the you know what scared out of us by the highway patrol. Hang on, we're gonna go park. Look at that pretty Peterbilt there. Stepped in. Okay, Frappy Mocha. Think we can get home without getting a ticket?
Yeah.
I can't believe that. All these years that window's been cracked. I still don't know how he He spotted that, but I guess he's good. So anyway, we got our frappy mochas. We're gonna make our way home. Talk to you later.
She's looking good.
There's Jazzy, if you can see her out in the field out there.
Eating wine weeds or whatever the hell she's picking up.
Teresa's being a good wife. Go open the gate. So yeah, I can't believe we. I don't know if you guys can see the crack there. That crack's been there for probably 15 years. Finally, he pulled us over. But let's see. The next thing on our list is, I guess I'll go ahead and get the stuff out of the refrigerator in the truck. Yeah, go ahead and leave it open. That's fine. Leave it open. So we'll get the stuff out of the truck, clean it up. But that'll be it. All right, talk to you later. All right, we're back on the road. It is Saturday. We left the house this morning, loaded yesterday, Friday, over in Phoenix at the Air Force Base. We're in Van Horn, Texas right now. We've gone about 400 miles today. We still got about a little over 4 hours left on our clock. We're taking our 30-minute break real quick, and then we'll get going. This little truck stop, I think it's exit 132, something like that, on I-10. They got the best little burritos. So I'm gonna go get some burritos, put them in the refrigerator for later. But this is what we got. That's a big old jet engine right there. It's sitting on a cradle that looks similar to this right here. This is an empty cradle. And this thing was kind of a pain in the butt to tarp. And trying to keep the tarp from flopping around. So I've done the best I could. You can't put anything over the top of the motor. So that's the very end of the motor. You can see where the cradle is. So I put that there to help kind of keep it from flopping around. But that's been the hardest thing, is trying to keep this thing from flopping around. You can take a look up under there. And then just two little cradles right here, nothing crazy. And then this thing back here, I don't know what this thing does. It's got all kinds of gauges and whatnot on it. All those tanks are empty, so it's all empty up there. I don't even know what goes in those tanks. Let's see what it says. It says it's non-flammable gas, so I'm not too sure what that is in there. Nitrogen, compressed nitrogen. So, all right. I bought a new mic for this camera. If you guys remember the old camera, but some of the videos, you were starting to hear a popping noise, and that was me turning the mic around when I was talking. And this is a new mic. I actually bought two mics. I'm gonna try this one out, and then I got the other one. If this one don't work out too good, I got the other one. I did not do anything to the truck. I got home, I parked the truck, and that was it. So me and Teresa went on a little vacation. But let me go get my burritos, and I'll tell you about our little vacation that we went on. We went to a big aquarium up in Scottsdale, Arizona. So I'll be right back. Talk to you in a bit. All right, we made it over here to Fort Stockton. The weather started getting a little rough. I don't know if you guys will see it. It might not show up in the glare. Here, let me turn this off. But it's raining and windy outside. It was getting a little rough. Actually wanted to go a little bit further. Well, now my light's not working. There it goes. Wanted to go a little bit further because from right here we got a little over 600 miles to get out of Texas, which is at the 880 mile marker. So, but we'll be all right. We did drive about 500 miles today, which is pretty good considering I just got back to work. So anyway, we went on a little vacation. I called Teresa for a couple days before I got home, and she was like, well, I was like, where do you want to go? What do you want to do? Because the last time I was home, I just worked on the truck the whole time I was there. And whenever I come home, I do try to spend as much time as I can with Teresa. That's why I don't make videos at home, is because I'm usually doing stuff with her, and that takes away my time with her. So that's why you don't see too much of me when I'm at home. So she had saw a ad on TV for a big aquarium, and it's called the Odyssey Aquarium up in Scottsdale. That's where I got this shirt. And so she wanted to go up there, and I said, well, let's make an overnight trip of it. So we drove up there in the morning, went to the aquarium, and then we spent the night at a pretty nice hotel resort thing. Had a real nice pool and everything. We spent the night there, and then we went back out to the pool in the morning, and then the next morning, and then left and came home. So it was just a quick overnight trip. But now I had to get back to work. It's the beginning of the month. We're coming up in June, so it's time to get back to work. Let's see what else is going on. So this is the camera. Hopefully you guys can see it. This is the mic that I bought. Was this little tiny mic right there. And let me see if I have it. The old mic that I had was, I actually bought two mics. This is the old mic right here, and it would bend like that. So it would be in the camera like that. So when I was talking to the camera this way, the mic was facing me. When I would turn the camera to me, I would turn the mic towards me, and you would hear that of me turning the mic. So I was trying to find, well, I guess what they call it, an omnidirectional mic. And then I found this little one too, because this is my other one that I'm going to try. This is actually made by DJI, the company that makes the drones. And I tried it a couple times. It sounds pretty good. But as you can see how it kind of sticks up further, so it's just kind of a bigger profile. So I'm gonna try this one too, and then I saw this one on, not that one. I saw this one on Amazon, and it had a lot of good reviews on this one. And it's supposed to be an omnidirectional mic too. And see, it's got a nice profile on the camera. It's not too big. So this is the mic I was using earlier today. So hopefully it comes out pretty good. The other thing I bought another. Now this is a Colt Polaroid Cube. This one right here. This is a Cube Plus, and apparently they don't make these anymore. And they don't make these anymore either, but they're selling these really, really cheap. But the price on these went up since they're not making them anymore. This one uses Wi-Fi, and this is the one I use for the shots out the window. And I also used to use this one. I had another one of these that I would use for the shots out the back of the cab. But that little GoPro, or that little Cube, was messing up. So I bought one of these. This was only 30 bucks. So I bought one of these. I'm gonna try that. And then I bought a little, a new little action camera to mount on. Hang on a second. Oh. So this is my little camera setup that I use behind the sleeper. So this is an old action camera. This one's been about 3 years. So I'm gonna use this new action camera. And it's supposed to be a little bit better, so I bought that too. But anyway, all right, tomorrow we got a long day. Tomorrow we got a long day. Monday we got a long day the rest of the week. So I really should have drove a little bit further, but I was kind of out of gas anyway. And another problem is too, it's 10 o'clock at night right now. That means I can't start until 8 in the morning. And if I drove for another 2.5 hours, it'd be after midnight, which means I couldn't start till 10 o'clock in the afternoon, or 10 o'clock in the morning, which makes the next day long. So anyway, it's just a big cycle. So, all right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.